why it's taking off. I want to tell you that whether you like it or not, AI is going to do the needful. Therefore, I'm urging you guys, I'm urging you to take interest. Okay? When you take interest, it's better for you. This is the reason why I decided to write this book. In fact, in case you didn't know, it was with the help of AI. And I can assure you that if you were to read this book and get what is inside, you will be amazed. Many of us will be complaining about, generating, content with AI, which is actually not accurate. Guys, there is more to it than just putting a prompt, tell chatgpt, or maybe um, Claude, Gemini. There's more to it. You see, you need to understand that for you to communicate, you need to be very, very, you know, um, intentional about it. I'm telling you guys, this is true. I'm telling you guys, this is true. All right. So many of us, we are getting generic answers because we don't know how to use AI. Now, this book, The Last Human Job, it's quite amazing. It's just an ebook. It's actually less than 40 pages. And if you are serious about AI and making money with AI, within the first week of you reading this ebook, if you don't get anything, then come back to me. All right? Come back to me and I'll tell you to say, okay, this is where you made a mistake. You see, prompting, guys, prompting, you need to be very much skillful for you to get a desired result with AI. But if you are not, I can assure you that you'll get garbage out of it. So therefore, I'm inviting you. Very soon, I'll be holding a free meeting just to give you a tip of an iceberg of what you can do with AI. Now, AI can make you money while you are in your home, as long as you got your phone and the laptop. So to those who are interested, please drop your comments under this video so that at least I know there are people interested that I can take through. It will be free. I'll give you tips on how you can use AI and get more out of it. You need to understand prompt engineering. With a simple prompt, you can get something that you can be shocked of. You'll be shocked. Is it true? Indeed, I can get such results with such a simple prompt. Yes, but the same AI, if we were to use the same AI, you and I, same question, and then we ask ChatGPT, it could be Grok, or maybe DeepSeek, or Manus, or let me say Claude, I can assure you, we are going to get a different result. You can turn AI into anything, guys, and it will be, think like a top lecturer from one of the best universities in the world. Talk of Harvard University. Do you want to turn your AI into that? Do you want to turn your AI into a best coder and app developer in the world? I mean, those are just few things that you can do with AI today. I can assure you that in the next 5 to 10 years, that job you are holding on, if it's not taken by AI, or if it's not replaced by AI, then I don't know. AI is not taking jobs. It is only replacing jobs for those who are not willing to change and flow with this. In this book, you find that there are 3 worlds that we are in. We are in the second world, and immediately we pass this world, trust me, things will be on another level. There are a lot of things going on at the back end of gigantic companies dealing with AI. Everything will be automated. And this is the time you need to learn. And I'm saying I'll be holding a free live session on TikTok. Come and listen. I'll give you the tips. But if you want to learn more, then you need to join my community in the inner circle so that we can learn more about AI and get more out of AI and make money out of AI. So see you there.